Hello friend and welcome back. Today we are going to make this individual pizza. I hope you like it and enjoy it. For the dough we are going to need 1 cup of flour, salt, pepper and garlic, sugar and oregano, baking powder and yeast, and 1 cup of water and olive oil. I put the flour and all the spices. I whisk them good. I add some olive oil, like 2 tablespoons. I will start adding my water and whisk. I want my dough to be like this. Whisk it so good. I will use this mold for the quiche. If you don't have them, you could use the paper one for the cupcake. I will put some oil and put some of our mixture. After I done all of them, I will put them in the oven for 325 degree for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is our dough, how it's look like. I have tomato paste. I mean the pasta one. You could make a homemade one. I put some tuna. Now I will add the mozzarella. And again I will put them in the oven back for another 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. This is after the 5 minutes, how it's look. This individual pizza, it's great for party and birthday. I really advise you to try it and it's very tasty. This is our final look. Please, if you visit my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. Bye, see you soon.